No more stressing about the tax deadline. Take a breath, we've got you. At H&M Business Services, you can file your taxes today and pay later, with no pressure and no surprises. Our team makes the process fast, simple, and accurate, so you can unlock the best refund possible. And if you're not ready yet, no problem. We'll file your extension for free, so you stay protected and on time. Call us now and let H&M Business Services take the stress out of tax season.